Good day, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please like and subscribe, and also leave comments if you find this helpful. So in the previous video concerning automating emails and getting tokens out of emails, we've been able to use the MailSlurp client APIs itself. But in this video, we want to use the Cypress plugin made by MailSlurp. So it's essentially like a plugin that will be used. So what will be different in this video is that this video will be a bit faster. The playlist here will be faster because it is almost the same step with what we've done in the past. It's just about the way you would initialize the inbox and the way you would retrieve the emails are different. So there is no need to create a command somewhere. You can actually create it as a command if you want, but you can actually go directly into the it block and write what you need to write. How we are going to extract the email will still remain the same. It will still use the same inbox that we used in the previous one. So what I'm trying to say in essence is we will not have 7 videos like the previous one. We will have fewer videos because we would essentially copy and paste some of the things that we had in other videos before. Things like the fixture file that we created, the file that we created in the fixture folder, pardon me, and what else? Practically all the same steps. So once we've copied all of that, we can begin to write it, and we'll still use the same variables: the inbox ID, the email address, the email body, OTP code. If you haven't seen that, you can just take a sneak peek, and it will essentially do the same thing. The idea is, after doing all of this, after being able to do this, the other parts that we'll do is in another playlist, I will show you how you can use MailSlurp with Java and Selenium. Then I'll also show you how to use MailSlurp with Python and Selenium. So if you've gotten this far, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and we'll begin in the next video. We'll begin with the setup. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.